Niki draw.
Hi, I'm Niki.
I'm Mom, Lana. Welcome to the Niki Draw channel! Today we will draw and paint the rainbow with our fingers. Let's go!
Let's go.
We start with semicircles. Draw step by step. Next in line is Niki, who starts drawing her cute rainbow. Then we move on to painting. Here we use our fingers to create bright shades and learn colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, violet, indigo, That's all? You like it, Niki?
Yes, it's fun.
See you in the next video. Bye!
Bye.
Subscribe to our channel.